Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the front side functionality of new task. So let's start. So when a user enters the new task page, here we have shown the pop-up. So in that pop-up, the information has been shown. So you can see that a note is given for pickup point. Admin had allowed following postal code area of Kuala Lumpur. So this postal code has been set from the backend to from admin. So admin has set the postal code. So this postal code only allowed to be entered in pickup point for the user, and for delivery point following country code will be allowed, and this country code will also been added by the admin from backend. So this message has been shown. Why? Because a user can know that this uh, address has been allowed in pickup point as well as in the delivery points. So that's why this message has been shown over here. So let's start to fill up the form. So just in pickup point, I'm just entering in right now. I am just entering the dummy text for fill upping the form. So let's start. First of all, add pickup point. I'm just entering 21 and in address. In pickup point address, the allowed postal code address will be set over here for the postal code which is entered by the admin. On that address only the user can enter the address. So just I am entering the address, like I'm just selecting the first one. You can see that the region not found in Kuala Lumpur, please select some nearest area. This user friendly message has been shown over here. So I have just select the other address. uh, when I have just selected this address, the marker has been set on the map. Why? Because this address postal code has been set from the back end, so that's why the marker has been so set on the map. User can also drag the marker from here. The message has been shown that pickup point is not available in this region of Kuala Lumpur. Why? Because when I just dragging this marker on this place, it will check that postal code of this address has been allowed. If it is, then the marker has been set over here. But now the postal code of that address has been not allowed. So marker has been reset over here only. So now let's drag on the other address. Just dragging over here. In this region also the address has been not allowed. You can see that I would drag over here, the address has been changed. Why? Because the postal code of this address has been allowed, so that's why the marker has been set over here. Now I am entering the name of user. Let's say I am just entering Shubham. uh, Shubham Patel. I'm entering the phone number, like 6012345678 9. The email ID chubbu.daboya@gmail.com. In description, I'm just entering test testing test description. And in test, I'm just adding the tags over here like SDD. And now for the delivery point, I have to just add delivery time. That I am entering 22. Address. Now in address, the address will be allowed for Kuala Lumpur or the address which has been set from the backend. The admin has set the country uh, in that region only the delivery point will be accepted. Other in on the other uh, address, the delivery point will not be accepted. So just I am entering the India. You can see that the India has been not listed over here. Why? Because the India has been not set from the admin side. I'm just selecting the, right, just I'm entering to Singapore. The Singapore has been set because the Singapore has been set from the admin side, and even the user can drag the marker on map like this way, right? After that, just enter the name. Right, there I'm entering Subham Patel only. The phone number is 6012345678 and the email ID this one. Okay, after that, job description, I'm just entering description only. Then select tags, deciding STT. Now in the destination distance information, if the pickup point is of Kuala Lumpur and the delivery point is of other country, not the Kuala Lumpur, then the travel vehicle is disabled. You can see that user will click over here, but it will not select it. Why? Because the delivery point is of other country, not in the Kuala Lumpur. That's why. Now user can select a travel trip from here, like one way or return trip. I'm just selecting return trip. The delivery day will be the fix because the delivery point is of other place, not in Kuala Lumpur. That's why the delivery will be the next day. This is for the this is the functionality. And wait, like here it is 2 and 34. The weight and price of Singapore is 2 and 34, which is set from the admin side. So that's why uh, this 2 and 34 will be shown over here. Now when I submit button, like it will check, say that the please select weight, because weight is compulsory now, not the travel vehicle. Now just I'm changing the address from Singapore to Kuala Lumpur only. Just I'm entering the first one, that is this. Uh, just entering the Kuala Lumpur address only. Okay, so now you can see that the travel vehicle is enabled. Why? Because the delivery point is of Kuala Lumpur only. That's why. This is the travel trip return trip or one way. Now you can see that the default has been same day. Why? Because the pickup and the delivery point is of the same place. So that's why the delivery day is for the same day, not the next day. And now the weight is not compulsory over here. It is in disable only. Why? Because of the delivery and the pickup point is of the same day. Now travel vehicle is mandatory. So when I just click over here, you can see that please select travel vehicle. Then I'm just entering this one. Now I'm just click on create button. Now the form has been submitted and the mail of the invoice has been generated. And the invoice has been generated and the invoice has been sent to the admin, as to the admin. So like this way, the new task functionality will be work. Thank you.